Good day everyone, I'm Cadet 2nd Class Macaron Angelo Gabriel H from BSMT3 Charlie. In this video, I'll be sharing my reflection on the boat carving I created using Perla soap. This activity may look simple at first, but challenge my patience and attention to details. As I carefully carved the soap, I had to control my movements because the material is delicate and easily break. This experience taught me value of patience, discipline, and focus creating something meaningful. As I shaped the boat, I began to see it more than just an artwork. For me, the boat symbolized my life journey. Just like the boat sailing through unpredictable water, I faced different trials and uncertainties. There are moments of calm and success, but there are also storms that test my strength and courage. But there are also storms that test my strength and courage. Carving the boat reminded me that I am one guiding my own path. Even the waves are strong, I must stay steady and continue moving forward. It also made me realize that progress takes time, and every small effort contributes to the final outcome. Additionally, using a simple materials like Perla soap shows me that beauty can come from ordinary things. With the creativity and effort, even the simplest object can transform into something meaningful and inspiring. This boat carving is not just a school activity, but a reflection of my perseverance and growth. It represents my journey and my struggles, and my determination to keep going no matter what challenges I may face. Once again, I'm Cadet 2nd Class Macaron Angelo Gabriel H. Thank you for watching.
Dip, 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 dip.